Hello. What are you doing?
A beautiful day begins.
Wow. Hi, guys.
Good morning, dump trucks.
Dump truck.
Yeah. What are you doing?
A juice truck
What
drives
happened?
by. The dump trucks
Cool.
really want some juice.
Hey!
Wow! There are so many tasty juices on the juice truck.
Wow! What's next?
Thank you very much.
The yellow dump truck is so happy holding
Hey!
its juice.
Open.
Thank you very much.
The blue dump truck is happy too. They drink juice while driving along the road.
Wow!
A little puppy wants to cross the street. The yellow dump truck turns quickly to avoid it. Bang! It crashes into the juice truck.
Oh no!
Ah!
Oh no! Help me!
The juice truck tips
no.
over and juice spills everywhere. The dump trucks are covered in juice.
What's next?
Help!
What happened?
Crane truck rushes to help.
Crane truck.
It gently lifts the juice truck back up.
Thank you very much.
Who is next?
The road is full of juice. What should they do?
Let's go!
Street sweeper.
Good job!
Here comes the street sweeper.
Bravo!
It cleans the road until it's nice and shiny again.
Oh my god!
Clamshell
Are you
excavator.
ready? I got it! Nice! It's amazing! Cool!
Excavator
I got
picks
it.
up all the fallen fruits one by one.
So nice!
The road looks clean and bright once more.
It's my time! Oh my god! Oh no!
But the dump trucks are still sticky.
Fire truck.
Fire truck sprays a big stream of water. Splash! Now the dump trucks are shiny and clean again.
Thank you very much.
Awesome! Thank you, fire truck.
It will disappear! Goodbye!
Hey guys! If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye! See you next time!